My name is Sachin Yadav. So, friends, how to speak in English? This is my topic. Friends, if you want to speak in English, you should you follow four steps. First step, listening. Second, reading. Third, third, uh, writing. Or fourth, speaking. First, if you want to if you want to uh, learn English and speak English, you you always observe in English context. If you want to learn English, you will have to observe English content, if English content, and then after you will have to then after moving on reading topic. uh, दोस्तों फ्रेंड्स, if you want to learn about English, you you learn how to express any structure and a connection structure, phrasal verb, a vocabulary, and grammar position like tense and active passive voice, and newspaper language, and how to if sentence to sentence how to connect sentence to sentence, and which word, which sentence you can learn soon and in easy step. Then after moving on third topic, writing. Friends, if you daily read book and read book and observe any sentence, if you want to learn soon, you will have to create structure in your mind and write a copy, so that you will remember always you will be remember always. So then after moving on fourth step, if you have you feel when you feel you have something knowledge about English, then you can practice with your tongues. uh, till till when you you can't practice, you will not practice how to express and how to fluent, and how to will come on your tongue. And like as Hindi, if you want to speak any topic, how to express in Hindi, like as you can follow speak step, firstly, easy step, you can follow easy step, like as tell tell me about yourself. My name is like as my name is Sachin Yadav. I am belong to Ayodhya. uh, I am I belong to middle class family, and so on. You can speak yourself with your mirror. And friends, so as to conversate anyone, if you want to conversate in free, you can install Talk Now app on where you will get many type of people who want to learn speak English, and uh, free of cost. You can say that free of cost. You you will not you will have to you will not have pay any money, and you will learn about English, and you uh, you will make friends. Talk now app, on Talk now app. Talk now, I like Talk now app because this is free of cost, on where I keep to practice. I keep to practice, and I keep to practice with someone, and word with from world people. This is if on where you make a call. You will make a call, and on where a someone will be connect a server calls. You cannot use any numbers, because you have a friend from word someone, anyone. So friends, you will have, if you want to learn speak, and you want to speak in English, you will have to install Talk Now app. Thank you, friend. Thanks, friends. Watch this video, and